Hi there. Welcome to this lecture on what is Kotlin. I'm excited to have you here as we dive into the world of Kotlin together. Whether you're completely new to programming or just curious about Kotlin, this lecture is designed to give you a clear and simple introduction. So, what exactly is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern programming language that was created by a company called JetBrains. It's designed to be easy to read and write, making it a great choice for beginners. One of the best things about Kotlin is that it can be used for many different types of programming, like building Android apps, server side applications, and even web development. Now, you might be wondering, why should I learn Kotlin? There are a few reasons why Kotlin is a fantastic choice for new programmers. First, Kotlin is known for being concise, which means you can write less code to do the same tasks compared to some other languages. This makes your code easier to read and understand. Another reason to learn Kotlin is that it's fully compatible with Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, especially for building Android apps. Because Kotlin works seamlessly with Java, you can use libraries and tools from the Java ecosystem, which gives you a lot of flexibility and power. Kotlin is also designed to be safe and avoid common programming errors. For example, one common problem in many programming languages is dealing with null values, which can cause programs to crash if not handled properly. Kotlin has built in features to help prevent these kinds of errors, making your code more reliable and robust. But perhaps one of the best reasons to learn Kotlin is that it's officially supported by Google for Android development. This means that if you're interested in creating Android apps, Kotlin is a great language to learn. Many new Android apps are being written in Kotlin, and it's quickly becoming the standard for Android development. Let's break down some key points about Kotlin. Firstly, Kotlin is modern and concise. Kotlin allows you to write clear and concise code, making it easier to understand and maintain. Secondly, Kotlin is interoperable with Java. Kotlin works seamlessly with Java, so you can use existing Java libraries and frameworks. Thirdly, Kotlin is safe and reliable. Kotlin helps you avoid common programming errors, making your code more robust. And lastly, Kotlin is officially supported for Android. Kotlin is endorsed by Google for Android development, making it a top choice for building Android apps. In this course, we'll start with the basics of Kotlin, covering its syntax and core concepts. You'll learn how to write simple programs and gradually build up your skills. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid foundation in Kotlin and be ready to start exploring more advanced topics and projects. I'm really excited to guide you through this journey into Kotlin programming. Remember, learning to code is a step by step process, and it's okay to make mistakes and ask questions along the way. Let's dive in and discover what makes Kotlin such a powerful and enjoyable language to learn. Thanks for joining me in this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.